Okay, looks like a majority are connected, Your Honor.
Okay.
Do
Good
I
morning.
turn my camera on?
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Judge Rosie Spielin Gonzalez. Judge Gloria Saldaña is unable to do the docket call this morning, so she's asked me to do it. Her staff will be assisting me and making sure that everyone that is here that needs to make an announcement gets to make that announcement. We're going to do it as quickly as possible so that y'all can get going to your next settings. So, Aleda, you want to help me out?
Yes, Your Honor. The first one that appeared was Michael Bellevue.
Michael Bellevue. Good morning, Michael. That's case number 535-061. And it looks like it was set for an MTR. Michael, what can you tell the court?
We had this reset last time, which my client actually has 2 MTRs today, Your Honor.
Okay,
And I would just like to confer on those if possible.
Okay. All right. I'll annotate that. And do you need to go into a breakout room?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me put him in a breakout room.
All right. And then I'll wait for you to tell me who's next.
The next one would be Rene Munoz.
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Munoz, let me find him.
And if they can give you the page and case number, would be easier for you.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Mr. Munoz, what page are you on?
I'm not sure, Judge. There's connectivity issues here in Barrett County, so I wasn't able to download the docket per my my county email. It might be under Michael Young. It's Jennifer Rangel. She has
Okay.
2 cases.
Just a minute, please. Michael
course.
Young. Okay.
That'd be page 5, Your Honor.
Page 5. And Jennifer Rangel under Michael Young, and she's at the top of the page. So for the record, that's case number 658-689 in the matter state of Texas versus Jennifer Rangel. And we've got a public defender here from the public defender's office. What is y'all's announcement?
Yes, Judge. With this client, I don't believe she's on. I went through the courtroom right now and I did not see her. I haven't had good contact with her, Judge, and this is a client I've had contact issues with in the past. So I wanted to be candid upfront with the court. I just haven't had contact or communication with her.
Okay, so defendant FTA. That's what I'll just annotate. The judge will decide what to do with your announcement.
Yes, Judge, of course. I appreciate it.
Okay, not a problem. With that, Mr. Munoz, you are excused today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Will
Okay,
be Ms. Lina Carriado.
and Ms. Carriado, what page are you on?
Good morning, Judge. I'm
Good
on
morning.
page 3, Avila Alejandro 638-175.
Right in the middle there. Okay. So the case number is case number 638-175 in the matter state of Texas versus Alejandro Avila. Ms. Carriado, what is your announcement?
Okay, Judge, I'd like to continue to confer with state. They gave an offer last time and I want to discuss it with them further. If it can't be done here in this Zoom call, I'd like to continue to confer with them via email, if that's okay.
Okay, so you're going to get reset to, you should be able to review that and get it all squared away by November the 19th,
Okay.
2021 at 9 o'clock. So please appear with is your client here today?
He was trying to log in earlier, Your Honor. He was having internet issues.
Okay.
It's
All right.
okay.
Well, go ahead and get a hold of Mr. Avila and let him know that he's reset to the 19th. And I'm going to annotate on there that on that day, it'll either be a plea or you're going to ask for a call docket setting.
Okay.
One or the other. Okay. No more resets.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Ms. Carriado.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
day.
You too, ma'am.
Elizabeth Settle.
Ms. Settle, what page are you on?
Good morning, Judge. I'm on page 7. I think I'm the second to the last case.
Ms. Settle, there you are. Case number 669-069 in the matter state of Texas versus Diana Maria Garza. And Ms. Settle, what is your announcement?
Judge, this is a first setting, and the number I had on my appointment order was the wrong number. She's on PR bond, so I tried calling pretrial for the last several days. Haven't been able to get anybody to answer there. So I would just ask for a reset to allow me to continue to try to get a good phone number on her, unless she's present somehow there.
Is Ms. Diana Maria Garza with us today? Can you hear us? If you're present, please raise your hand. Make some noise. Anybody see her? I don't see her. So here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Settle. I'm going to go ahead and give you a reset date of the 15th of November, but I am annotating on the docket for Judge Saldaña that the defendant failed to appear this morning. So Judge Saldaña will do what she does with that, okay?
All right, Judge. Thank you. May I be
Thank you.
excused?
You are excused, Ms. Settle. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Aleda, who's next?
George Ruiz.
George Ruiz.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here on that. How you doing today?
And Mr. Ruiz, good morning. What page are you on, if you know?
Your Honor, I do not know what page I'm on. I apologize.
Okay, I'll look for you. Hold on.
Sorry, Judge.
Your Honor, that would be on page 2 on 624-840.
Okay, 624-840. 624-840. Okay, all right. On the record, case number 624-840 in the matter of the state of Texas versus Michael Devin Ferris. I have Sylvia Gonzalez, but we've got another attorney making announcements. And can you tell us, what can you tell us today?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm actually here, Your Honor. I've actually filed a motion to withdraw for you to consider, Your Honor. I know we sent it yesterday. I don't know what the status of that is, Your Honor.
Okay, and I just put you down as the attorney, Mr. Ruiz. Is there any announcement you want us to annotate on the record?
Your Honor, I mean, I could confer once that's taken up with, depending on what your ruling is on that, Your Honor, I'd like to confer with the state.
Okay, Judge Saldaña, I'm sure we'll review that motion to substitute counsel and take it from there. I'm going to go ahead and give you a reset date. That way you're not left out there hanging.
What's a motion to withdraw, Judge, not a motion to sub?
I'm sorry, I thought it was a motion to substitute in. Okay, so were you court appointed or were you retained?
I'm retained, Your Honor. It's actually my office that was retained.
Your office was retained. So I'm going to annotate on here that the defendant needs to be interviewed for indigency and court appointment, just indigency, and then leave it up to the judge to decide whether he qualifies for court appointed or whether she's going to give him time to get a new lawyer.
Okay, that's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. For Mr. Ferris, in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and give you a date for return with a new lawyer, and that's going to be the 15th of November of 2021. If you get a counsel appointed, I'm sure you'll get notice from this court. The way they give you notice, I'm thinking it might be email. I'm not sure. So please stay in touch with the court, Mr. Ferris, until you get an attorney appointed to you, okay? I can't hear you, Mr. Ferris. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Mr. Ferris? Okay. Come back on the 15th of November, Mr. Ferris. Your attorney withdrew. We're going to have to figure out. I can't hear you. Okay. Well, you got to hold that paper still. Okay. Who's your new lawyer? Who's your new lawyer? Write it down so that we can put it in the system. Okay. It's called Dunham and Jones. So that firm, Mr. Ferris, has about 20 lawyers. Who is your lawyer? You just know it's Dunham and Hill?
Your Honor,
Okay.
it will be Miss Garcia.
Okay, there we go. Okay. And so let me annotate that. Not interview him.
And we have filed our motion for notice of appearance of counsel. It just has not been
Okay.
accepted by the system yet.
And Hill, and it's going to be Miss Vanessa Garcia. Okay. And I'm going to give you just got on. So I'm going to give you a reset date, Miss Garcia. Like you heard me give it to the defendant of November the 15th, 2021. And that should give you enough time to get up to speed with Mr. Ferris's case. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate
Thank you,
it.
Mr. Ferris, and you are excused today. Thank you, Mr. Ferris. Have a good day. Okay, who's next, Aleda?
Mr. Mick Aguilera.
Okay, and let's find Mick.
Good morning, Judge. I'm the top one on the, well, I think it's the first page, but it's number 2.
No, I
The
think
paper.
I see it. So for the record, it's case number 472515, State of Texas versus William Matthew Sulaika. And Mick, what's your announcement?
Judge, we're ready, and I was hoping to confer with Mr. Brett Bosey this morning, but
So you're ready to go to trial, or you want to confer?
if I'm ready to go to trial if we need to, but I'd like to talk to Brett.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do today. I'm going to give you a call docket day. And your call docket day is January the 18th, 2021. And if someone can put Mick in a breakout room to confer with the state eventually today, that would be
There you
great.
go.
All right.
Somebody just sent me to number 2, and my
Okay.
client is on the screen, Judge. Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you, Mick. You're excused. Who's next, Aleda?
Mr. John Fox.
And I saw him in here earlier. Let me find him on the docket.
It's page 6, Your Honor, about a third of the way down, I think. It's 6.
Okay. Right there. Okay, case number 663-533 in the matter of state of Texas versus Mary Grace Villanueva. I have Mr. John Fox as defense attorney. John, what can you tell us?
Judge, I've been talking with Chris Lowry at ADA. I probably need to speak with him again. There's a restitution issue and there's a couple other issues that we're trying to straighten out on it. So if he's available, that would.
Okay. You want to confer or you want to reset date? What do you want, John?
Probably I'll need to do both, but
Okay, let's go ahead and give you the reset date now. That way, after you confer, you can just go. So your reset date's going to be, sounds like y'all need to look at some things. Let's do 12/2/2021. The 2nd of December is your reset date, 9 o'clock, John.
and Miss Villanueva is here and she's, I think, got a work conflict. Can we let her go at this point, Judge? Is that all right?
She's excused. Miss Villanueva is excused.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Who do you have next, Aleda?
Oscar Hernandez.
Okay, let me find him.
Page 2, Judge, I appear as Mark Davey from our former firm.
Okay.
Page
Hold
2, page 1, he's number 2, Arnulfo Garza, sorry.
Okay. That case number is 492-450 in the matter state of Texas versus Arnulfo E. Garzay. Oh, Garza the second. Garza the second. Arnulfo Garza the second. Okay. Well, and what's the announcement, please?
Judge, just need a short reset. He had substantial restitution to pay for a dismissal, and I'm told that he'll have that in the next 10 days.
Okay. Let's reset you to November the 19th, 2021. If you can get a dismissal before then, let the court know so that they can take it off the docket.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're excused, Oscar.
As well. Bye-bye.
Is Jocelyn Andrews.
Okay, let me find her. Jocelyn, can you hear me? Do you know what page you're on?
Page 6, Your Honor,
Okay.
about midway through.
I see you right here. Case number 664-107 in the matter of the state of Texas versus Mercedes Teida Merritt. And Ms. Andrews is the defense attorney. What can you tell us, Jocelyn?
Your Honor, I need to confer this. We haven't, I think this is our actual first appearance on the docket.
So go ahead and take your time conferring. Once you're done, you'll be excused. Your reset date is December the 2nd at 9 o'clock.
And Judge, before you do that, I have 10:30 CPS hearing. So how do they handle the cases? Do I know who the ADA will be for this case? And then I can reach out to them?
I'm not sure how that's done in this court. I know in 13, they're, you look at the last number and you know who's assigned to it because that's how they assign them. I don't know how that's assigned in this court, Ms. Andrews. I would strongly.
I'll figure it out, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Who's next, Aleda?
David Cuellar.
Okay, Mr. Cuellar, how are you? What page are you on? Do you know?
I'm well, Judge. Thank you. Yes, I'm on page 2, the third one down. It's Shelley Meador, 62207.
Got it. For the record, case number 622076 in the matter of the state of Texas versus Shelley Ann Meador, Meador. We have David Cuellar as the defense attorney. David, what can you tell us?
Your Honor, we would like to be placed on a call docket.
You're ready for trial. All right, your call docket day is January the 18th, 2022. Mr. Cuellar.
I have his client in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, then Mr. Cuellar and his client are both excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
January 18th, correct?
January 18th, 2022.
Thank you very much.
Who's next, Leda?
Mr. David Christian.
David, do you know what page you're on?
I have 2 clients, Judge. I'm on page 4.
Okay, let's do that one first. And
Page
David
4
Christian.
Cruz.
Yes, case number 655769 in the matter state of Texas versus Henry Cruz. We have David Christian as the defense attorney. David, what can you tell us?
Judge, if we could go to a call docket, that'd be great.
So you're ready for trial?
We are.
Okay. And your call docket date is going to be in January. So it's January the 18th, 2022. You and your client are ordered to appear on that day, and you're excused.
Okay, thank you. I have one
Now,
more.
do you have one more? What page is that on, Mr. Christian?
Page 2, Gloria Monreal.
Gloria Monreal, there you are. Case number 628-981 in the matter of the state of Texas versus Gloria Carolina Monreal. Mr. David Christian is the defense attorney. Mr. Christian, what can you tell us?
Judge, if we could do one more pretrial on that one, we got some negotiations going back and forth.
Okay, conferring. Okay, I'm going to give you a reset date to December the 2nd, 2021. Okay, Mr. Christian, you and Ms. Monreal are excused.
Thank you so much. I still see him here. Mr. Cruz, you can get off. I don't know if you can get off the Zoom. And Judge, thank you so much. Aleda, always thank y'all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Aleda,
I
who's
believe
next?
it's Michael Dominic.
Okay,
Morning, Your Honor.
good morning.
I'm here for Mr. Paul Anderson. He's attorney. Well, we're both attorney of record. He's the first one at the firm. I'm here for Maximino Paramo Gutierrez.
Okay, just a second. I got to find either you or him.
It's page 5, Your Honor.
Page 5, Maximino Gutierrez.
There's 2 cause numbers for him, Your Honor.
Okay, you said page 5. Oh, there he is. So it's cases number 661-816 and 661-817.
Right.
We have the same defendant, Maximino Paramo Gutierrez, and we have Paul Anderson's law firm announcing via Michael Dominic today. So what is your announcement, sir?
I need to confer with the state a little, or what? Sorry, I need a reset to confer with the state and for a client to confer with his immigration attorney. We just got an offer yesterday. I think we can work something out. So a reset.
Okay. And so your reset will be December the 2nd.
December the 2nd. Yep.
2021 at 9 o'clock. Hopefully you can address all those issues before then and get some movement going on these cases.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
You are excused today.
Thank you all. Have a great day.
Aleda, who's next?
Alma Benavides.
Yes, ma'am. Alma, do you know what page you're on?
Good morning, Judge. Yes, I have 2 cases, Your Honor. The first one is William Jones on page 4, 655.
Got him. Yeah, on the record, case number 655-271 in the matter of state of Texas versus William Shrone Jones. And we have Ms. Alma Benavides as the defense attorney. Alma, what can you tell us?
Your Honor, I've been conferring with Brett on this case, and I would like to continue conferring with him. He was going to obtain some additional evidence that we need to talk about.
Okay, you need time to further review discovery. And I'm going to give you a reset date of December the 2nd, 2021 at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, Alma, with that, what's your second case?
Second case is Albert Landeros on page 6.
Landeros, and that is case number 666-356 in the matter of state of Texas versus Albert Landeros. Alma Benavides is a defense attorney. What's your announcement, Ms. Benavides?
Your Honor, I've also conferred with Brett on this case. He was going to try and obtain some restitution amounts. So I need to confer with him on that case as well.
Okay, let's have you come back on the same day. So you're reset to December the 2nd, 2021 on that one as well.
Thank you very much, Your
Thank
Honor.
you. And you're excused, Ms. Benavides.
After I confer, I'm excused?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Stay well.
You too. Bye-bye. Aleda, what do you have next?
Tony Hernandez.
Okay, just a minute. Mr. Hernandez, do you know what page you're on?
Page 3, Judge. It's Georgia Moncada.
Moncada? Okay, just a minute, please. Page 3. Alvarado, Sandoval, Reyes, Ibarra, Esquivel, Avila, Villanueva, Ara, Cayamba, and Hernandez. You say it's Moncada?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me keep looking because it's not on page
654-995.
654-995.
Page 4.
Yeah, 995. There he is. For the record, let's open the record on case number 654-995 in the matter state of Texas versus George Moncada. Mr. Hernandez, what's your announcement today?
Judge, we're asking the court for another 30-day reset so we can look into some issues that will impact his employment. And he is present, Judge.
Okay. We're going to give you a reset date of December the 2nd, Mr. Hernandez. Make sure you and your client appear on that day. With that, both of you are excused.
Thank you, Judge. And I'll see
Thank
you in a
you.
few minutes.
Aleda, who do you have next?
Your Honor, Daniel Rodriguez.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, you know what page you're on?
No, I don't. My partner, Monica Corralla, has the docket.
Do you have a case number?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. It's 658393.
658393. Just a minute, please. Open the record on case number 658393. Is it Bibiana Ruby Uribe?
Yes,
Is that
that's
your
correct.
client? Okay. In the
Yes,
matter
sir.
state of Texas versus Bibiana Ruby Uribe. And what is your announcement, sir?
I'd like a short reset. We're trying to get together some things to present to the prosecutor so they would hopefully recommend obstruction of a highway.
Okay. Let's give you a reset date of December the 16th.
Okay.
Please return on that day with your client and see where you're at with everything.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Uribe is here on
Okay.
Zoom as well.
And you all are excused.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Who do you have next, Leda?
Mr. James Dwiggins.
Okay, Mr. DeWiggins. Do you know what page you're on, sir?
Second page, Judge Alexander Peacock.
Alexander Peacock, not Pereira. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry, what page did you say, 3?
The second page, I think.
Peacock, there he is. Open the record on case number 626-389 in the matter state of Texas versus Alexander Peacock. Mr. DeWiggins, what's your announcement?
We would like a reset, Your Honor. It's going to be a plea. He has to do some things up front as part of the plea, and he's almost done. So if we could have another 30, 45 days, I'd appreciate it.
45 days will be December the 2nd, 2021. You're reset to that day for a plea. So figure it out by then. With today, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Have a good day. Who do you have next, Aleda?
Your Honor, oh, he had another one. We'll reset him.
I mean, I called it out. That was the first one I called out. He didn't say
Yeah.
anything about it. So,
Okay, that's okay. David Wheeler.
okay. Mr. Wheeler, good morning. Do you know what page you're on?
Judge, I'm not on this morning's docket. I have a motion to suppress hearing scheduled this afternoon. I've notified the court in writing that we are waiving that. We've agreed to a plea bargain agreement with the state, and I made sure the state wasn't bringing any witnesses today. Actually, I notified them back on September 20th, but I reminded them.
What's the name of your client and the case number? That way Aleda can annotate that and drop the setting this afternoon.
That would be on page 3 at the bottom of the page. 648728.
Jose Luis Hernandez. Okay, case number 648728 in the matter state of Texas versus Jose Luis Hernandez. Defense is dropping this afternoon's motion.
Yes, ma'am, and we just need a date for our plea. Any day next week would be fine after Monday.
Your Honor, we can do October 14th.
October 14th at what time, Aleda? 9 o'clock?
10 o'clock.
10 a.m. There you go, Mr. Wheeler. You've got your plea date as October the 14th at 10 o'clock. We'll see you then. You're excused today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Judge.
Mr. Carlson Hokim.
And let's see, Mr. Carlson, do you know what page you're on? Is he with us?
He was here.
Let's go to the next one.
If I may, Judge.
I'm sorry, Mr. Wheeler, what is it?
This is Deputy Butler.
Oh, yes, sir. What can I help you with?
I just had Diana Garza, case number 669069. She just appeared in the courtroom. You have her down as an FTA. She's been reset to the 15th, but she did appear.
There it is. So I'm going to take off the FTA. And I'm gonna just leave the reset on. Let her know that she's ordered to reappear on the 15th of November at 9 o'clock and she's excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Honor, I'm here, Judge. This is Carson Yoakum.
Okay, just a minute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you here for another attorney?
Your Honor, that's on page 6.
6.
Second to the last.
Second to the last.
Al.
And so are you the new attorney on case number 666411?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute, please, Carson.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your, what can you tell the court today?
Judge, it's a prostitution case, allegation of prostitution. We have an overlapping immigration issue. We're just waiting to review the audio and video, if any. We're reaching out, trying to find the prosecutor in charge on this case. I just need to review it. I was hoping to eventually convince them to some sort of pretrial intervention program that would not have any immigration consequences after we review the evidence.
Let's go ahead and reset you. I'm going to give you some time to try and work all that out. So that's December the 7th,
Yes,
2021. Gives you a couple of months and you're excused today.
That's excellent. Thank you, Judge. It was a
Thank you.
pleasure being in your court. Thank you for still doing Zoom. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Aleda,
Your Honor.
Aleda,
Bye-bye.
who do you have next?
Your Honor, that would be Vanessa Garcia.
Okay, just a minute, please. Ms. Garcia, do you know what page you're on?
Yes, Your Honor. The first one is on page 2. It's in the middle, Joseph Rendon.
Okay, hold on, stand by. And that would be open the record on case number 622-825 in the matter of the state of Texas versus Joseph Lucas Rendon. And we have Ms. Garcia here. Ms. Garcia, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, I am present here with the defendant. He and I are working still on the mitigation package that we're going to be submitting to the DA's office. So we would just ask for extra time to get all those programs done.
Okay. Okay, hold on just a second. How much time do you think you need, Ms. Garcia?
Your Honor,
to have your defendant be able to comply with all that?
if we could, 45 days if possible.
45 days? We're going to give you 60. And so you're reset to 60 days is December the 7th, 2021, 9 o'clock. Make sure that Mr. Rendon is here with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And did
I
you
do
have another one?
Yes, I have one more case. It's on page 6. It's the middle bottom, and he has 2 cases. It's Miles Jordan.
Okay, just a minute, please. Please open the record on cases number 664159 and 664160 in the matter of state of Texas versus Miles Jordan, and Miles is spelled M-Y-L-E-S. And we have Vanessa Garcia as the defense attorney on both cases. Ms. Garcia, what is your announcement on these cases?
Your Honor, counsel is here present with the defendant. Again, we are working on a mitigation packet to submit to the state. We would ask for more time if possible, the same date as the previous client.
Okay, and I gave you December 7th. I'm going to give you December 7th on this one as well. So you have them all bundled up. Okay, December 7th at 9 o'clock is your reset date on each of these cases, for each of these cases, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. May
You
my
and-
client tonight be
You and
excused?
Mr. Jordan are excused.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Aleda, who's next?
Rolando Arguelles.
Arguelles, okay, Mr. Arguelles, case number 662-812, state of Texas versus Rene Sosa. Mr. Arguelles, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, if I can confer with the state on this matter. They were intending to give me a good boy packet in this case, so I just need to confer with them.
Oh, okay.
And he's present, Judge, on the Zoom call.
Okay. And you think you're going to need a reset?
Yes, Judge, and I also have another person on the docket, Jose
Okay.
Salazar Estrada.
Hold on just a second. You're going to get reset on this one after you confer to get time for you to talk to your client. Let's come back on the December the 2nd, 2021.
Okay, may he be excused,
On
Judge?
Sosa, yes. And
Mr.
who's
Sosa,
your,
you can log off.
and who's your next client, Mr. Arguelles?
Jose Salazar Estrada, he should be right before him on page 5, I believe.
Page 5, Estrada.
Last
Open
one.
the record on case number 662730 in the matter of the state of Texas versus Jose Salazar Estrada. Mr. Arguelles, what is your announcement?
Your Honor, there is an active warrant in this case right now.
Okay.
But I already conferred with Mr. Lowry, and he agreed to recall the warrant if Mr. Salazar will be in compliance with his conditions of bond right now.
Yeah, I don't think that whoever you conferred with has the power to recall any warrant. So I'm going to leave the active warrant on here. If he wants the warrant withdrawn, he needs to approach the judge and ask for such. Only the judge can withdraw the warrant. So make sure you have that conversation with the judge as well, Mr. Arguelles.
Yes, Judge.
Okay,
May
with
my
that,
client be excused?
well, he's a fugitive, so I would encourage him to come and resolve that warrant status as soon as possible. Or you need to make
Yes,
sure
Judge.
you get in front of the judge with the prosecutor and ask that that warrant be withdrawn.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you very much. You're excused.
May I be placed in that breaker? I think I'm already in there.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
Miss Aleda, who's next? Miss Aleda, are you with us? Okay, we're going to be in recess for the court reporter. Stop the record. And I'm going to go back to 13 if y'all need me. Have Aleda come get me. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.